These melting potatoes are going to be the highlight of your next Sunday supper. In a bowl, evenly coat your sliced potatoes in melted butter and minced garlic. Once fully coated, add them in a single layer to a baking dish. Pour the chicken broth carefully into the dish. Season with dried thyme, salt, and pepper. Bake for 55 minutes at 425 degrees. Once the potatoes are done baking, broil for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. You can find more easy potato recipes on our website. My ground pork tacos are perfectly seasoned, served in lightly toasted tortillas, and come together in just a few minutes. Heat olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Add chopped onions, minced garlic, and sauté until they become fragrant and translucent. Add in the ground pork, breaking it apart with a spoon. Add in chili powder, cumin, paprika, oregano, salt, and pepper. Add tomato sauce and chicken broth. Stir well and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Warm your tortillas on a dry skillet. Add your ground pork to the tortilla and top with tomatoes, onion, cheese, and lime juice. I love to drizzle our homemade chipotle ranch over top. You can find more delicious pork recipes on our website. My Instant Pot pork tenderloin is the perfect dinner for a busy weeknight. Start by seasoning your pork with salt, pepper, and garlic powder on all sides. Set your Instant Pot to sauté and sear on all sides. Remove the tenderloin and add chicken stock and minced garlic, scraping up the brown bits at the bottom of the pan. Add in your flour water mixture and cook until the sauce thickens. Remove the sauce from the pot. Add a trivet inside the Instant Pot along with 1 cup of water. Place the pork tenderloin on the trivet. Cook on high pressure for 5 minutes. Remove the pork tenderloin from the Instant Pot and let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. You can find more easy weeknight dinner recipes on our website. Our easy scalloped potatoes are creamy, cheesy, and the perfect side dish for your next Sunday supper. Start by slicing your potatoes with a mandolin. Melt butter in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add in flour and whisk until a thick paste forms. Slowly add in milk and then heavy cream. Add in sharp cheddar cheese, pepper, and salt. Mix until everything is well combined. This will be your bechamel sauce. Place half the potatoes and onions in the baking dish and season with salt and pepper. Cover with half of the bechamel sauce. Add in the remaining potatoes and onions with another sprinkle of salt and pepper, and top with the remaining sauce. Cover and bake for 1 hour. After an hour, uncover your dish and add a layer of shredded cheddar cheese. Bake for 10 minutes or until golden brown. I love to top mine with a few sprigs of thyme. You can find more easy side dish ideas on our website. This is how you make the most delicious slow cooker pork with potatoes and carrots. Start by seasoning pork tenderloin with salt and pepper on all sides. Add butter to a large pan over medium-high heat. Once the butter melts, add the seasoned tenderloin until golden brown on all sides. Transfer the roast to a slow cooker. Add yellow onion and garlic powder and cook until golden brown. Stir in tomato paste and transfer the onions to the slow cooker. Add dry red wine, scraping the brown bits from the bottom of the pan. Pour the wine into the slow cooker with the roast and onions. Add chopped carrots, celery, potatoes, beef broth, thyme, rosemary, and 2 bay leaves. Cook on low for 8 to 10 hours. During the last hour of cooking, place cornstarch in a small bowl and add a quarter cup of the broth from the slow cooker. Whisk until well combined. Add the mixture to the slow cooker. Continue to cook on low for 1 hour. You can find more easy slow cooker recipes on our website. Our slow cooker smothered pork chops are the perfect busy weeknight dish. Start by drying your pork chops with a paper towel. Season with paprika, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. Sear until the pork chops are golden brown on each side. Remove them from the skillet and add the canned cream of mushroom soup and canned cream of chicken soup. Pour in chicken broth and scrape up any brown bits from the bottom of the pan. Place onions and mushrooms inside the bottom of your slow cooker. Top with the seared pork chops and pour the soup mixture over everything. Cook on low for 4 to 6 hours or until the pork is tender. You can find more easy slow cooker recipes on our website. There is no better or easier way to use Thanksgiving leftovers than to make our Thanksgiving leftover casserole. In a greased baking dish, evenly distribute mashed potatoes and shredded turkey. If you have leftover green beans, scatter them evenly over the turkey. Pour in your leftover gravy. Top with stuffing and shredded cheddar cheese. Add a pinch of salt and pepper. Place the uncovered casserole dish into the oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until the casserole is heated through and the stuffing on top is crispy and browned. You can find more easy Thanksgiving recipes on our website.